Imagine surviving 5 months without eating, drinking, or even gonna the bathroom, all while staying alive inside a dark, freezing cave. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of bear hibernation, a biological masterclass in survival. Today, we're peeling back the fur to reveal why bears sleep through the winter and how their bodies pull off a feat that would be fatal for a human. Hibernation is not just about catching up on sleep. It's a calculated evolutionary strategy to survive extreme food scarcity. When winter arrives, the plants, berries, and fish that bears rely on disappear under snow and ice. Instead of starving, bears retreat to their dens, effectively turning their metabolism down to a slow simmer. By lowering their heart rate and body temperature, they conserve massive amounts of energy. If they stayed active during the winter, the calories required to hunt in the cold would far exceed what they could find, leading to a quick death. Interestingly, bears don't technically sleep in the way we think of deep rest. Scientists call their state torpor, which is a unique form of dormancy. During this time, they remain somewhat alert and can wake up if threatened, though they move sluggishly. Most impressively, they recycle their own waste. Through a complex biological process, bears break down urea, which is usually toxic, and convert it back into protein to maintain their muscle mass. This is why a bear can emerge from a den in the spring almost as strong as when it went in. You might assume these giants lose massive amounts of muscle while immobile, but the truth is quite shocking. Despite months of inactivity, they retain almost all of their bone density and strength. Even more surprising, female bears often give birth and nurse their cubs while in this dormant state, utilizing their stored fat to produce milk without ever taking a sip of water. How their bodies manage to prevent blood clots while being inactive for long remains a holy grail for medical researchers today. We will dive into how this could unlock medical breakthroughs for humans in just a moment. In summary, bear hibernation is a sophisticated survival mechanism that turns a dormant body into a highly efficient energy factory. By recycling internal resources, these animals master the art of waiting out the harshest seasons. If you found this glimpse into the wild fascinating, please hit the button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of nature.